Hi students of class 1. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, using computers, do's and don'ts. So everyone please turn to page number 32. Today we are going to do page number 32, 33 and 34. The first topic, that is how to start the computer. In this chapter we are going to learn about how to start a computer, how to shut down a computer, different correct ways to use a computer, and the different rules that we should follow while using the computer. So today we will do the first topic, that is how to start the computer. Get ready with the book. Let us start the class. Now, this chapter, the first thing is the get going. This one will be your HW. You have to write 5 things that you can see in picture 1, and those things we should not do while the teacher is teaching in the class. Those things you will write in 5 points. I think the thing is clear. The things you can see in picture 1, those things you should not do while the teacher is teaching in the class. Those things you will write in these 5 sentences. Now, in this chapter we will learn about how to switch on and shut down a computer, describing the correct ways to use a computer, tell the safety rules you will follow while using the computer. These 3 things you will learn in this chapter. Today's topic is how to start the computer. This we will learn today. So everyone, please turn to page 33. Okay. You have already learned in the last lesson that the computers has different parts. These parts work together to follow the instructions given by us. But before we can give instruction to the computer, what we will do? We must start the computer so that the computer will be in a stage to take the instruction from us and start processing the data according to our instruction. So, how to start the computer? Like TV, computer is also a machine. The computer also works on electricity, just like the television. It needs to be switched on to work and switched off after work. That means same as TV, when we are working on it, we should start it first, and when we have finished our work, we will switch it off. Switching on a computer is called starting a computer, and switching off a computer is called shutting down. Clear everyone? These 2 things you have to learn. Switching on a computer is called starting a computer, and switching off a computer means shutting down the computer. Now, we should be careful while using the computer. Certain steps are there that we must follow correctly. What are the steps? Step 1. Switch on the main power button. From the plug, we should first switch on the main power button. Then, switch on the UPS. Everyone know which one is called the UPS? You have to switch it on then. Step 3. Press the button on the CPU to switch it on. The CPU switch must be on then. Step 4. Finally, switch on the monitor. Then we will switch on the monitor. So, let us repeat it once again. Switch on the main power button. Switch on the UPS. Press the button on the CPU to switch it on. Finally, switch on the monitor. Done. Now, 2 tips are there that you must follow. You must wait patiently while the computer starts. There are certain processes happens when you switch on the CPU. At that moment you have to wait. You should not press any other key. Next, do not press the keys on the keyboard until the computer is on. That means until the whole system is on. Not a single key on the keyboard should be pressed. Done. These two things you should remember when you are starting the computer. One quick bite is there. To switch on a laptop, press the power button. In the laptop, this power button is there. Only you have to press this button and our laptop is switched on. Now please turn the page. When the computer is on, you will see the following screen. This screen you can see. This screen is called the desktop. This screen is called the desktop. Now let us see the computer, how the desktop looks like. Now this is the desktop. These are called the icons. This is the desktop background. The picture is the desktop background. This one is the start button. This one is the start button. Clear everyone about the desktop, I think. So today's CW work we have done how to switch on the computer. So I think the classwork is clear to you. So your today's homework will be to read page number 32, 33 and 34 line by line as explained in the class. Okay, so bye bye. See you in the next class. We will continue the chapter on that day. Bye bye.